the low FODMAP diet saved my life. People have asked how I discovered I had irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. This goes back to about 1990, 1991, and I was just having so much gas pain. That was always my primary symptom, not diarrhea, not constipation. So I went to a gastroenterologist, and he said to me, let's try you on gluten-free and dairy-free. And I had some relief, and I'm feeling better, but not that much better. But there was nothing else in 1990 that people really had to offer me. So I just suffered. 2015, I ended up in the hospital. And this was not the first time I ended up in the hospital in pain. They did every test and no one could tell me anything. It was incredibly frustrating. But the GI on call said, I want you to try the low FODMAP diet. There is a lot of misinformation online, and I only want you to pay attention to Monash. I had been living with IBS for 25 years at that point, but that's when the light bulb went off and I created FODMAP Everyday. We're going to help you eat well. So we are bringing thousands of low FODMAP recipes to you for people, all the millions of you around the world who have IBS, who hopefully have discovered the diet. We're here for you.